Hey everybody, and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be using rice. Rice is one of the most common things that everybody has in their pantry. And today we're going to be making a recipe with rice. Rice is a good way to bulk up your meal to make it go further and stretch your money. In today's recipe, we're going to be making Texas red rice, Mexican style flavored rice. So y'all come on and join me in the kitchen as I share this recipe with y'all. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is add some oil to this iron skillet and let it get good and hot. And then we're going to be adding some bell peppers and onions. I've got the green and red peppers. This will give it a little bit of sweetness because bell peppers have a sweet taste to them. And right here I have some sauteed onions that Travis made this past weekend, caramelized. So I'm going to add a little of those too. And we're going to let the vegetables start cooking down. You want to get them good and caramelized and tender. I'm going to go ahead now and add a dash of Frank's Red Hot sauce. If you don't want to have it with that little bit of hot flavor, just leave this out. And the people that want it at the end could add it themselves. I'm going to add a teaspoon of minced garlic. And now I'm going to go ahead and add 3 cups of cooked rice. And you want your rice already cooked. I cook my rice in my Instant Pot. But for this recipe, it's best to use rice that's already been cooked. And now you're just going to mix all that in and get the rice incorporated with your vegetables and your garlic. The bell peppers give it a pretty color too, with the green and red bell peppers in it. Just makes it look pretty. And now to that, we're going to add 1 can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. It's just like the Rotel you buy. It's just the store brand. And now to that, I'm going to add around 8 ounces of tomato sauce. We're just going to eyeball it. We don't measure much around here. And now we're just going to incorporate all that together. And boy, is it smelling good. And now we're going to add a 1/2 cup of water and give it a mix. And now I'm going to go ahead and add my 1 teaspoon of salt. We're using pink salt. You can use any salt of your choice. And we're going to add around a teaspoon of black pepper also. And give it another mix. Okay, now we've got everything in our Texas red rice. Now we're going to get us a casserole dish, and we're going to bake it in the oven for 30 minutes on 350. You want to spray your casserole dish real good so the rice don't stick to the bottom. And now we're going to place it in our casserole dish. You want to bake it in the oven on 350 so the tomatoes, juice, and the sauce will just soak up into that rice and give you that good flavor. Make sure you cover your casserole dish with foil. This is what our Texas red rice turned out to look like, y'all. The tomato juice and the tomatoes just soaked into the rice, giving it all kinds of flavor. I hope y'all try this. It'll help you bulk up your meals and save money. Using rice makes your food recipes go further, so it helps you save money in the end. So with our Texas red rice, we're having chicken fillets, lima beans, and the rice. I hope y'all like our video. Thanks for watching.